Today, I'm going to shoot one of my most favorite videos to watch as a viewer. I consume these videos on a regular basis, be it on YouTube, be it on Instagram, and everyone always questions me, like, Jasmine, what is in your bag? So, hi everyone, I am Jasmine. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to give a glimpse of what is in my tote bag that I love. I carry my entire life inside that bag, and I know it's going to be extremely relatable. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's jazz it up. So first things first, I'm going to give you a glimpse into my bag so that you can see how huge it is and all the things that are in the bag. I mean, this bag has traveled with me to Paris, to Amsterdam, to Switzerland, to Stade, to Jaisalmer, to every place that I go to. Like, this is that durable, it's that strong. Like, I can carry everything I want in it. And let me show you guys what's inside the bag. So, first things first, if you guys are going to work, if you're going to college, if you're stay at home work, if you're making content, if you need to edit content, so you need your laptop. So, that is something that I have with me, my MacBook. And usually, there is a separate bag or a cover that you need for your MacBook, but I can keep it inside the bag. So, the first thing that I have is my MacBook. So, if you guys know me, you'll know that I'm really used to writing. I am also someone who thinks a lot, who overthinks a lot, and I have like thousand thoughts in my mind. So it's extremely important for me to have a diary, to have a notebook, so that whenever I think something or a thought pops up in my mind, I quickly open this and I just pen it down. Also, this one is really nice. It has Believe, Achieve, Succeed written on it, and I think I like things that motivate me. I like covers that are very, jhatak and like that are out there and that inspire me a lot. So this is my notebook that I always have. Now, the next thing that I have with me is extremely special. It is my card holder. It looks somewhat like this if you guys have never seen a card holder. I recently cleaned it, so I've taken out all my cards and my cash. Also, this is really special because this is my first ever card holder. I never had a card holder before this, and this is my brother's, but he gave it to me, so now this is mine. I would really like the aesthetics of it. So this is really nice if you want to carry your IDs, if you want to carry your cards, if you want to carry your cash. So this one's really handy. I keep it in the small pocket of the bag, so I know that my cash, my cards are in here. Now, since the very beginning, I've always had a pouch in my bag. So this is available on Amazon and it's really durable and really spacious. So anything that can leak, like if I have a cream, if I have my makeup removers, if I have lipsticks, if I have glosses, I keep inside of this bag, and then I keep this bag into my tote bag so that even in case if something leaks, like I don't spoil my gadgets. Now we're going to quickly see what's in the wash bag. First things first, scrunchie. I live in India, I live in Mumbai. It's hot, it's humid, and I tie my hair up like in a second. It takes me a second to tie my hair up, so I need scrunchies. I have two, three in there because I keep losing them. Every girl knows this, and you can relate to it. The second thing, it's really cute, is this hairbrush that I have. So this doesn't require a lot of space. It's really cute. It has like Hello Kitty. I love cats. So I think this thing is really cool. Another thing that I am really obsessed with is hand cream. I don't know, it's just like something that my mom just like put into me. It's like a habit. Every time I wash my hands and I feel like, I just feel a little dry, I quickly take out my hand cream and I'm sorted. After that, I have a concealer. I always have a concealer in case I need to do a touch up. Lots of lip glosses, because even if I'm not applying lipsticks and if I feel like my lips are chappy, I can just apply gloss and I instantly feel hydrated and fresh again. After that, this blush by Rare Beauty, because A, it's not a liquid blush. B, I really love the packaging. Like, I know it's not going to leak, it's not going to break, and I can just reapply my blush anytime that I want. The next thing that I have are my gold hoops. So this is an extra pair of gold hoops that I always keep in my bag. So in case, if I just meet someone randomly or if I have another plan, I can just quickly wear this and it just elevates the look in all. So this is all that's there in the wash bag. Like, these are all the essentials I need. Now I'll show you more things that are inside my bag. What do you guys want to see? Let's see what's in the bag. These are my wet wipes, disinfecting tissues, my wet wipes. Somehow I don't like using sanitizer because till the time I don't feel the dirt getting out and I don't see it in the wipe or the tissue, I don't feel like I've cleaned my hands. So I always have like wet wipes or tissues in my bag. Something that I'm probably obsessed with, my pair of sunglasses. Like since I was a little girl, I just knew that I loved glasses, so these ones are always with me. They kind of look really cool, they're not that big, and I'm into like huge glasses, but I love Ray-Bans. I think they're classic, they're cool, and these ones are always in my bag. The next thing that I have is very unusual. So like you guys can't make fun of me, but these are my electrolyte tablets. Okay, and my mom keeps them with me because I am someone who does have a little bit of low immunity. Like I'll fall ill or I'll feel really weak, or if I've not eaten a lot, I'll be like, oh God, my energy levels will go low, or even if I'm overthinking. So I make sure that I have electrolyte tablets with me. Dissolve I just dissolve them in water, and I instantly feel like energetic, and I feel hydrated, and I don't feel low on energy. Like, instead of having like crocin, Disprin, and paracetamols, I have replaced it with electrolytes. I think minerals and vitamins are much more important. So this is in my bag. This has 20 tablets. So I'm sorted for the month. Like I don't have 20, but at least I'll have like 15 for sure. It like just gives me energy. What else do I have in there? Okay, two very important things. A, my headphones. I think I am done charging my AirPods. Whenever I have to travel, I enter the flight and my battery is dead. So, headphones again. And icebreakers. I really like to smell nice. I want my breath to be fresh, not for anyone else, but for me. I think your hygiene matters a lot. How you smell, how you are around people. It's really, really important. You don't want to make others feel unpleasant as well. So these are icebreakers in watermelon flavor, and they are amazing. After, like, while I'm doing this video, I've realized I have a lot of things in my bag, but also I'm a girl who doesn't need a lot of bags. I think I need one bag that is durable and that can accommodate a lot of things. So yeah, I do actually carry my entire life in my bag. Now we're coming to the last three things. Okay, this again is extremely important because I live in Mumbai. It's extremely humid, so I need like a facial mist, or I need a spray that really keeps my skin and me hydrated. Like you have no idea how fresh I felt after I sprayed it. So this is always in my bag. A sunscreen. This one is really nice by Dot and Key. So if I go to the gym and I decide to take a shower there, and then I go out and meet my friends, so if I don't have any makeup on me, I just have my moisturizer and my sunscreen, I know I'm sorted. So a sunscreen should and must always be in your bag. I also have this container. This has dry fruits. My mom makes sure this is in my bag, and I refill it every 1 week. It depends on if I finished it or not. Most of the times I finish it because this helps me to not binge eat, and I've gained a lot of weight recently. And I also am an overthinker, and because I think a lot, I eat a lot. So I make sure that now this is in my bag. It has all my dry fruits, and I have stopped binge eating because of this. Now the most important thing, my survival, something that defines me. If I had to take three things in my bag, this would be number one. My perfumes. Like, I cannot survive without perfumes. Like, it is incredibly important for me to smell fresh, to feel fresh all the time. This one's really nice. I know I'm overreacting, but it's perfume to chalta. This one is by YSL, a perfume that must be owned by every girl. So this was the video, and these were all the things in my bag. I make it a point now, I keep my bag clean. I just don't dump all the things. That I think like it's extremely important to keep your surroundings clean, so your energy also is clean and uplifted all the time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and see you all super soon.